Thinking about upgrading your bicycle freewheel and sprocket but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, from 7-speed to 11-speed setups, some riders focus on high performance, others prefer budget-friendly picks, while many look for the perfect balance of durability, smooth shifting, and gear range. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed real user reviews, performance specs, and value for money factors to bring you the top 5 best bicycle freewheel and sprocket upgrades for 2026, perfect for mountain bikers, e-bike riders, commuters, and even kids' bicycles. Make sure you don't skip, because the best option might surprise you at the end. Item number 5. The 7-speed bicycle freewheel sprocket is a reliable upgrade for smooth and efficient riding. Designed with a 1428T mega gear ratio, it provides a perfect balance between speed and climbing power, making it ideal for daily commuting and casual cycling. Its screw-on design ensures easy installation and compatibility with most standard bikes. Built for durability, this long-lasting component delivers consistent performance over time. Whether you're upgrading your drivetrain or replacing an old part, it's a practical choice for better riding comfort and control. Item number 4. This 7-speed freewheel is a great upgrade for electric bikes. Designed to deliver smooth performance across mixed terrain, with gear options like 1128T and 1134T, it offers a balanced combination of speed and climbing power. The screw-on design makes installation simple and compatible with most standard hubs. Built for durability and reliability, it supports consistent riding even under higher e-bike loads. Lightweight yet strong, it enhances overall riding efficiency, making it a solid choice for daily commuting and versatile cycling needs. Item number 3. This freewheel hub conversion kit is designed to upgrade children's bicycles for a smoother and more efficient riding experience. It replaces the traditional coaster hub, allowing kids to backpedal without triggering the brakes. This upgrade improves riding dynamics by reducing drivetrain friction and enhancing overall control. Compatible with specific models produced after a certain period, it offers a seamless conversion process. For the best results and safety, professional installation is recommended, though experienced users can install it with proper tools. Item number 2. This multi-speed bicycle freewheel is designed for riders who want smooth performance and wide gear options. Available from 5 to 11 speeds, with ratios like 1132T and 1136T, it delivers excellent control for both speed and climbing. Made from high-tensile steel, it ensures durability and long-term use. The high-precision threading allows easy installation and stable connection with the hub. Its advanced sprocket design improves shifting accuracy, making it ideal for MTB, BMX, e-bikes, and various other bicycle types. Item number 1. This 20-inch bike wheel set is a durable and stylish upgrade for various bicycles, including mountain, folding, and kids' bikes. Made from high-quality magnesium alloy, the one-piece design ensures strength and long-lasting performance. It supports single-speed and multi-speed freewheels, offering great flexibility for different riding needs. The smooth rotating bearings provide a stable and comfortable ride, while the disc brake compatibility enhances safety. With a quick-release system, installation is fast and tool-free, making maintenance easy and convenient.